Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Audition to edit audio. We'll start by understanding what this powerful software is and why it's a fantastic choice for all your audio editing needs. I'll give you a quick overview of its key features, setting the stage for us to dive into practical techniques. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for transforming your raw audio into polished, professional-sounding tracks. Next, let's get hands-on with some essential editing techniques. We'll cover the straightforward process of importing your audio files into Audition, getting them ready for work. Then, I'll show you how to precisely trim and cut audio clips, removing any unwanted sections. Finally, we'll explore adjusting volume and gain to ensure your sound levels are just right, creating a balanced and clear listening experience. Now that we have the basics down, let's elevate your audio with some enhancement techniques. We'll explore applying powerful effects like equalization to shape your sound and compression to give it a consistent punch. I'll also guide you through reducing distracting background noise, making your recordings much cleaner. Plus, we'll touch on vocal enhancements to make voices truly stand out, giving your audio a professional sheen. Finally, after all your hard work, it's time to export your masterpiece. I'll walk you through the simple steps to save your edited audio, ensuring it's ready for its intended use. We'll also discuss choosing the right file format for your specific project, whether it's for podcasts, music, or video. And of course, I'll share some valuable tips for achieving that truly professional sound, making your audio shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.